This is a basic guide for setting up a simple rule. For more rules, please see our advanced rule guide. So the first thing we're going to do is click on rules. Then we're going to select our location. In this case, it's both locations. So we're going to say all locations. Then we're going to say add new rule. Settings. We're going to fill in the following. Your title. In this case, it's a 1% cashback rule. And then select the program you want it to run for. Rule occurs. Do you want your rule to run for every transaction or only on certain days or times? Rule priority. If you have more than one rule, you will be able to label them 1, 2, 3, and so on. And your status is either enabled or disabled. And we're going to say save. Then we are going to add our locations to the rule. If you want all locations to honor the rule, say select all. If your rule only applies to certain locations, you can select the relevant ones, click add, and save. Next, we're going to go to card sets. You can apply your rule to different card sets. Example, your VIP card set might have more of a cashback than your loyalty card set. So we're going to select the one that we want to run for this rule. And we're going to say save. Next, we go to transactions. This indicates when you want your rule to fire. Do you want it to fire when you enroll a client or when you do a balance inquiry? In tender type, we're going to select all 6 blocks. And in transaction types, we're going to click gift issuance. Next, we are going to add an action. So we're going to say new action. Then we're going to fill in the following. Our priority is 1 because it's our first action. We don't have any others. Then we're going to select what action we want. In this case, it's a 1% cashback. So we say add percentage. Percentage of the amount entered. So the sale is 100 Rand. You're going to get 1% cashback on 100 Rand. Balance of currency. Then we're going to say 1 because we're having a 1% cashback. The rounding is up to you. You can do up, down. You don't have to do a round off. The value type affected. You would usually select points here. So you would have had to have added a value type called points, and then you're going to say the boutique loyalty program points instead of ZAR. And then we're going to say multiply by quantity, no. And then we're going to say save. And that is your rule created.